With our left foot first. With our left foot. 5, 6. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic with a back cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic with a forward cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Atakas. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inside turn to my right. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Partner work. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's begin. 1, 2. Ladies turn. 5, 6. Gentlemen turn. 1, 2. Ladies turn. 5, 6. There we go. Want to do this position. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3. Open up. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open it out. Takas. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And basic stuff. 1, 2. Advanced moves. 5, 6. The advanced version. One move lower. 5, 6. I can't remember what I did, but you all learned. 5, 6. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It all is the same. 1, 2. 2 changes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Tap. 5. Tap. 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,